Look, respectable audience, 7 minus 1 times 1 minus 7. If you look, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, and it is minus 6, so here it is 6, and it is minus 6. When we multiply, we will get minus 36, which will be our answer, but remember that this is not correct. So, what is the mistake we have made? The mistake is that, first of all, we will not solve it, or we will not solve it because here is a suppression, and here is also suppression. So, according to PEMDAS, what we have to solve first, PEMDAS told us then we will solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtractions. So here is neither parentheses nor exponent, expansion nor division. So we will solve multiplication, which is the first step we will take. So 1 times 1 will be solved. First, it will be equal to minus 1. And this 7 as it is, and minus 7 as it is. Now 7 minus 1 will be equal to 6, and it is minus 7. So 6 minus 7 will be equal to minus 1, which will be our answer. In the first case, our answer was minus 36, which was not correct. So our correct answer is minus 1, which we have obtained after obeying from those roots. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.